This is a fishing pole. It's about a 30-ton weight and it comes well packed, and you're going to have to supply your own sinkers, hooks, and a reel. Now what we're going to do is open this bad boy up, take the pole out. There it is. The other side's got the same thing, protected with foam. It's got this label on it. Get a nice look on camera what the pole looks like. And show you how nice and strong it is by holding it like so. So as to catch a nice heavy fish, it's not going to break. It is a very sturdy pole, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rings, and an area to put your reel by twisting and placing on over here. It's got a very short handle to hold. It stands about 7 feet tall, and there you have. You're going to spin this open as far as it can go, and hopefully this will slide into our handle. You're going to match the handle. Do your best to slide this in. It's a very tight fit. Bring the handle down. And start to lock it in. It's been quite some time since I did a thread of a lure. We're going to throw some casts and see how far we can get out there, see what it looks like, how it feels. It should be comfortable to reel in. It should do a good job. You're not going to catch a fish right away, but it gives you an idea how this fishing rod operates out in the real world. It is up to you to decide if a fishing rod is right for you. There are many different types for freshwater, saltwater, brackish, and so forth. If you're going out into salt water, it is suggested that you rinse off the rings, the rod, and everything and take care of it. Throw a little bit of wax on it, throw a little bit of silicone on it after you're done, and you have your rod lasting you many years. I hope you enjoyed this review of the fishing pole. It is a nice pole indeed. Got a nice graphite color to it, gray, and all that good stuff. Enjoy your fishing rod if this is right for you.